Unlocking conversational English. Let's catch up soon. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you've probably heard in movies, TV shows, or even from English-speaking friends. Let's catch up soon. This casual, yet meaningful expression is a staple in everyday English conversations, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your fluency and social interactions. So, let's get started. Let's catch up soon is a friendly, informal phrase used to express a desire to meet someone and talk about what has been happening in each other's lives since you last saw each other. The word, catch up, here doesn't involve any physical catching. Instead, it's all about exchanging news, sharing experiences, and reconnecting on a personal level. When someone says, "Let's catch up soon," they're essentially saying they value your relationship and are interested in your life. It's a way to maintain and strengthen bonds, whether with old friends, family members, or colleagues. The phrase can be used in various contexts, but the tone and setting can change its implication slightly. For example, in a casual setting among friends, it's a warm, genuine invitation to spend some quality time together. In a professional context, it might serve as a polite way to suggest a meeting where you can discuss work-related updates or network. Over text or social media, it can be a way to initiate making plans to meet in person, indicating that the conversation would be better continued face-to-face. Regardless of the context, "Let's catch up soon" implies an eagerness for a personal connection and an update on each other's lives. If you're on the receiving end of "Let's catch up soon," your response can vary based on your relationship with the person and your own schedule. Here are a few polite and friendly ways to reply. "Yes, let's. How about next weekend?" This shows enthusiasm and willingness to make plans. "I'd love to. Do you have a time in mind?" A positive response that moves the conversation towards scheduling. "I'm quite busy these days, but I'll get back to you once things settle down." A polite way to express current unavailability without closing the door on future plans. The key is to be honest and considerate in your response, keeping the conversation open and positive. We hope this video has shed some light on the friendly phrase, "Let's catch up soon," and how you can use it or respond to it in your daily English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's about connecting with people and sharing your stories and experiences. So, the next time someone suggests catching up, embrace the opportunity to deepen your connections. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to catching up with you in our next video.